Look at this, man. It finally came. I'm so excited. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got. So we got something from Universal Power Sports. Open it. Some paper. That Tusk extended rear wheel hubs. Let's go, boys. What do we got here? Check it out. Let's see what we got. Let's go. Let's go. Look at these things. Look at this. Look at this. Tusk off-road. What do these even do? Whoa, these are sweet, man. These are freaking sweet. So these are going to be extenders for the rear hubs. Let's go. So look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that, boys. All right. We are ready to put these bad boys on. Okay. Quick look at the blaster. It's looking all right. I haven't rode it in a while. You know, I live in the suburbs, so it's kind of hard for me to get out. Plus, I'm going to college and all these crazy things are keeping me from riding, but soon enough, we'll get this bad boy out. Before we do anything, let's just get a look at what it looks like now, okay? And let's see what it looks like after. So this is what it looks like from the back. This is how the front lines up to the back. So we can see it's pretty much even. Now remember, these are flipped. So now we're gonna change these right here. So we got the tires off, pretty easy. So now for this, you got a cotter pin you gotta take off, and then this nut here comes off. So we're gonna have about, I'd say, 1.5 inches of that extra width. So what we're gonna do is we have to take this nut here off. So this is a 7/8. Alright, so now that we got everything off, Tusk sends you these stickers with a bunch of these washers here, as you could see. The way that it works is these here slide in first, and they make contact with the outer wall of the axle right here, and then you're going to want to slide in these here. Make sure you slide them in with the flat face facing that way. It's a tight fit, so what I'm doing is I am putting the screwdriver in here and making space so that it slides all over to the back. Careful, because it might damage these splines right here if you just pound it in, so you know, just something to look for. So that looks like a good fit there. Now, the moment of truth, we are going to put and slide these all the way in. So as you can see, it fits. There's the washer. The spacer slides right into there. Let's look at the difference. That looks great. I love it. And I also like it because the other spacers, I mean, they'll fit on these, but you'll have this big wide disc to space it out. First of all, that causes some more weight. These are lighter than those, and I think these look a lot better and cleaner. Alright, so we got both of them on. This is what it looks like stock. Looks pretty good to me. So let's see how it looks like with the tires. Check it out, guys. We are finished. This is a great mod. Great and easy mod. So we added 1 3/4 on each side. So 3.5 inches total, which is a great improvement. It's way easier than putting a banshee axle on there.